Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili. First, let's gather our ingredients for this simple recipe. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ground beef or turkey, which forms the hearty base. Also, grab 1 large onion and 2 bell peppers. Any color works great. Don't forget 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can each of kidney beans and pinto beans. These are essential for that classic chili flavor. Now, let's get cooking. Start by browning your ground meat in a large pot over medium heat. Once it's fully cooked, make sure to drain any excess fat. This keeps your chili from being too greasy. Next, add your chopped onions and bell peppers to the same pot, sautéing them until they become tender and fragrant. Finally, combine the brown meat and softened vegetables, stirring them together well. With your base ready, it's time to build those rich chili flavors. Pour in your 2 15-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, undrained, along with the kidney and pinto beans. Now for the spices. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir everything thoroughly to combine. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and let it cook for at least 30 minutes or longer for deeper flavor. Your delicious, easy chili is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and top with your favorites, like shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some crunchy crackers. This recipe makes about 6 generous servings, perfect for a family meal or meal prepping. For more great tips, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, tasting even better the next day.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.